In our last lesson, we looked at the possessive S. Today, let's look at possessive adjectives. There are 7 possessive adjectives. My refers to something that belongs to me, the speaker, my book. Your refers to something that belongs to you, the person I am speaking to, your book. His refers to something that belongs to a third person, a male. Her refers to something that belongs to a third person, a female. His book, her book. It is used to talk about something that belongs to something that is not a human. Or sometimes we use it to refer to something that belongs to an animal when we don't know if that animal is a boy or a girl. Our is used to refer to something that belongs to me, the speaker, and other people all together. Our book. Their is used to refer to something that belongs to a third group of people, not me, not the person I'm speaking to, a group of people over there, their book. So we can use these possessive adjectives to replace the name or noun in a sentence. For example, instead of saying, this is Sarah's book, we can say, this is her book. Instead of saying, the tree's leaves are green, we can say, its leaves are green. Make sense? Any questions? Put them in the comments and don't forget to follow for more English on the internet.